Hi, this is Peter.
Today, we're going to take a look at the very first demo version of 3D Basic. This is what the interface looks like right now. We have a view window and a code window, and you can adjust their height using the mouse. Now, I'm going to write a small demo program, actually the same one we worked on earlier, but this time you'll be able to see the results of what I've been talking about. We're going to create a box. We'll write the code in the code window, give the box the name box1, and set its size to 2 cubic meters. Then we add the draw attribute and click the run button. And just like that, the box appears in the view window. You can zoom in using the mouse wheel and rotate around the box using the arrow keys. Now, let's give the box some color. We'll make it red. And that's as simple as adding the line box1 color equals red. Then we press run again, and the box instantly turns red. To try this out for yourself and explore much more, just click the link below in the description.